If you answer bien, gracias, fine, thank you in Spanish every time, this video is for you, because we have many ways to ask how are you and how to answer that. Hello, my name is David and I help English speakers learn how to speak Spanish in a more real and natural way, just the way we do. And today I'm going to teach you 25 phrases that we say when we meet somebody, some friend, and 25 ways we can answer that. So if that's interesting to you, stay until the end because these are very, very useful phrases. And it's going to give you more options to sound more like a native. Alright, let's start. First we do the phrases we say when we meet someone that we know. To ask people how they are, we use the standard ¿Cómo estás? With the verb to be. How are you? Or ¿Cómo está tu familia? How is your family? Or ¿Cómo está tu hijo? How is your son? But if you want to ask about things, we change to the verb to go. ¿Cómo va? How is it going? And you can add things like ¿Cómo va el trabajo? How is work going? ¿Cómo va la universidad? How is the university going? So for people, ¿Cómo estás? For things, ¿Cómo va? Or you can just use ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal can be used with everything. You can say ¿Qué tal tu familia? How's your family? ¿Qué tal el trabajo? How is work? So I really like this one because it's neutral. You can use it for everything. For example, you cannot say ¿Cómo va tu hijo? It's weird. How is your son going? Or ¿Cómo está tu trabajo? How is your job? It's not natural in Spanish. But ¿Qué tal? Can be used with everything. So don't forget that one. Something we say sometimes too, more casually, is ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? What's up? Normally with the name of the person. ¿Qué pasa, Fernando? What's up, Fernando? What's going on? You can also say ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien? All good? Everything okay? ¿Cómo va todo? ¿Cómo va todo? How is everything going? Very common too. You can also say ¿Qué hay? ¿Qué hay? That's a way to say like what's new? What's up? ¿Qué tal el día? ¿Qué tal el día? How is your day going? Something we say when we meet an old friend too is ¿Cuánto tiempo? ¿Cuánto tiempo? That's a way we say long time no see. The full sentence is ¿Cuánto tiempo sin verte? Meaning how much time without seeing you. Long time no see. But for short, we just say ¿Cuánto tiempo? Long time no see. A very, very casual one is hey, hey. Not hey without the H sound. Hey, like when I see a neighbor or something, I say like hey. It's just a quick hello, quick greeting. ¿Qué te cuentas? ¿Qué te cuentas? ¿Qué te cuentas? Means what do you have to tell? It's kind of like in English, what have you been up to? ¿Qué te cuentas? Like tell me. ¿Cómo va la cosa? ¿Cómo va la cosa? La cosa is the thing. So it's like, how are things? ¿Cómo va la cosa? Kind of casual, easy. When you see somebody you don't expect to see, we say something like, Anda, mira quién es. Anda, mira quién es. It's like, well, look who it is. Like, I'm surprised to see you here. Mira quién es. And sometimes we ask like, ¿Qué haces por aquí? ¿Qué haces por aquí? What are you doing around here? This is not your usual spot. Or, qué sorpresa verte aquí. Qué sorpresa verte aquí. What a surprise to see you here. A similar one is, no esperaba verte por aquí. No esperaba verte por aquí. I didn't expect to see you around here. You can also ask, ¿Cómo te va la vida? ¿Cómo te va la vida? La vida is life, so it's kind of like, how is life treating you? Ya casi no nos vemos. Ya casi no nos vemos. We hardly see each other anymore. ¿Alguna novedad? ¿Alguna novedad? Any news, anything new with you? ¿Alguna novedad? Novedad is something new. That's it. And then we normally say things like, sigues igual. Sigues igual. You look the same, you are the same. It can be physically, but it can also be like personality-wise. Somebody who never changes. Igual means the same. And sigues is you continue, you keep being the same. Se te ve muy bien. Se te ve muy bien. You look great. No has cambiado nada. No has cambiado nada. You haven't changed at all. Estás genial. Estás genial. You look great again. And this is something we say to very good friends, especially I think like men, when we see each other and it's been a long time and we really love each other, we say negative things like, estás más viejo. estás más viejo. You look older. We say things like that, like, or you're getting bald, or your hair is gray, and that's actually how we love each other. Now, don't forget that when people ask, how are you? That's normally just a polite question. It's just a small talk thing. They don't really want to know if you have problems or if you are sick. So normally people say yes, bien. But if you have friends or you are close to that person, you can share a little bit more. So let's see different ways in which we can answer those questions. So when somebody asks, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal estás? Normally we just say, bien. ¿Y tú? Fine. And you? But we can say other things like, estoy muy bien. Estoy muy bien. I am very well. Or, genial. Genial. Great. Todo bien. Gracias. Todo bien. Gracias. Everything is fine. Thanks. Bastante bien. Bastante bien. Pretty good. Like not amazing, but it's good. By the way, don't forget, we don't say bueno. Bastante bueno, muy bueno. No. Yeah. Bien. Bastante bien, muy bien, bien. Another one is no me puedo quejar. No me puedo quejar. I can't complain. Again, it's not amazing, but it's like, well, all things considered. Bueno, ahí andamos. Bueno, ahí andamos. Ahí andamos is like, there we walk. And it's like, well, hanging in there. Voy tirando. Voy tirando. That's similar and it's like getting by. Like not very well, but just getting by. Sobreviviendo. Sobreviviendo. Surviving. Como siempre. Como siempre. Same as always. As usual. Como siempre. Regular. Regular. So. Or you can say así, así. Así, así. So. Not good, not bad. No muy bien. No muy bien. Not very well. Or fatal. Fatal. Terrible. You can be more specific, like un poco cansado. Un poco cansado. A bit tired. Muy ocupado estos días. Muy ocupado estos días. Very busy these days. This one is something that I say quite often too, and it's últimamente ando muy liado. Últimamente ando muy liado. Meaning I have been very busy lately. And it's kind of like a slang. Ando muy liado. Liado means like tangled, but we use it as busy as well. Ahora estoy muy liado. I'm very busy right now. Liado, ocupado. Estuve enfermo. Estuve enfermo. I was sick. Ya estoy mejor. Ya estoy mejor. I'm already better. Considering that the other person knew that you were sick before. So if you meet your friend and they say, ¿Cómo estás? And the last time you saw them or talked to them, you said you were sick or not feeling well, you can say, Ya estoy mejor. I'm already better. Another one, hoy estoy de buen humor. Hoy estoy de buen humor. Today, I'm in a good mood. Buen humor is good mood. The opposite, that you might hear more often, sadly, is hoy estoy de mal humor. Hoy estoy de mal humor. Today, I'm in a bad mood. Mal humor. If someone is being funny and you don't like it, or you are just not having it, when they ask you, ¿Cómo estás? Hoy estoy de mal humor. Today I'm in a bad mood, like, you better leave me alone today. Someone here in this house says that quite often. Not saying who. Let's keep going before there is an accident. Gracias por preguntar. Gracias por preguntar. Thank you for asking. Thank you for worrying about me. And then don't forget to ask them back with ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? What about you? And normally they will say yo también, me too, or yo igual, same here. Alright, now you can ask and answer people in a more natural way and with more information than just bien. If you want to keep improving your conversation skills in Spanish, watch this next video about 25 very short phrases that Spanish people normally use. I have a few videos like this, so I recommend that you watch them all. They're very useful for conversation and to speak like we do. And if you find the videos useful and you'll enjoy them, please consider subscribing because that helps me make more and share more with everybody. Alright, let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!